Hey guys, it's a Ride 4 here, and I'm at my dad's, and I'm running away from this kid. His name is Donald. Yeah, he's autistic. He's having a little fun with me. Oh, hear him. You guys hear him? You guys might not be. There he is, here he is, there he is. There he is. There he is. Run! 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 Ah! What? What is that? My sister. Ah! 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 Now I'm running away from both of them. Let's shoot him out. Ah!
I think you're ready.
There he is.
Leave my dog and quit running and shoot when you stop.
What? What is it?
It's
A cow tail?
yeah.
Sure.
I got honey. Oh, yeah, hey, Case. Quit playing.
I'm recording a video, and I'm going to post it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, I have something to show you.
What does this have in it?
The cow milk.
Cow milk.
Dried up but healthy too.
Good.
Guess what? Hey, come on, I have something to show you. Very sad.
What do you want him to show me?
Right over here. Right next to my dad's garage.
Alright. Hold on. 1 second. I'm going to open this and show the guys. Alright, I'm going to try not to rip it here. But here, if you guys can see it. Oh, here it is. Alright. Here it is. Got these little, it's got like this cream in the middle, which Donald said was milk, which probably is milk, just made into cream eyes. But Donald wanted me to show me something. I'm gonna try this. Never tried it before. Pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna go see what Donald was wanting to show me. Donald! Where has he gone? It may look like a pretzel to you guys, but it's not. It's more like a soft. It's soft. See? It's squishy and soft. Come on, focus. Dang thing. You see? Excuse me for my nails, they're all dirty. I've been playing outside all day. In my socks because they're comfortable. I have no idea what to do now because I have no clue where he is. Yeah. This thing is pretty good though. I haven't recorded a video a lot because with me and Michael, or my friend Michael, because recently Michael's brother got in a fight with my brother. So yeah. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. Alright, so let's go find Donald. Donald! Is he in my house? Donald! You coming? You gonna show me?
You gonna build something?
Donald, come in. Come here.
Wow, let me find my shoe. Oh, could we build something, Dad? In the front yard?
All right, come on, Donald.
What are you doing?
Recording a video for YouTube. All right, Donald's coming out here pretty soon. How long are we in? About 6.5 minutes through, exactly 6:42. All right, we're good then. You coming?
Hey, Henry?
Huh?
Oh, you know.
I know.
I'm supposed to be out there with my phone.
Yeah, I know. I'll be back as soon as Donald shows me this, and then I'll give it to you. Yeah, I'm recording on my dad's phone because my phone was recently broken. My dad, I handed it to him because he was going to call somebody on my phone, and then he dropped it. So yeah. I want Donald to hurry up because I don't want this to be a very long video. Also, here's my sister, Maya.
Cheese!
Jeez. Maya, I'm not taking a picture, I'm recording.
Come on!
Alright. Shadow, no! Get back inside. Hold on, guys, I gotta get Shadow. Hold on, I'm almost done. Alright, guys, what do you want to show me? What?
The bird died. Elsa. No.
Who's Elsa?
The bird that's upstairs.
Oh, she died?
The dog. Daughter. Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell?
The white dog with the black spot. She gave her a heart attack. You got another dog?
That's pretty sad, huh?
Go text my mommy because she's all by herself. Your dad left?
Well, alright guys, I'm going to end this video here and see you all later. Also, here's my sister.